If you are following my channel and watching its videos, you must have installed Pi Network app and Pi Browser. If not, or even you don't know about PiCoin, its value, mining, and other aspects of crypto, you can find that relevant videos links, app installation link, and referral code in description. I am Abdullah and you are watching YouTube channel DIGITDON. After you install Pi Network app and Pi Browser and start mining, you will be required to complete rest 8 easy steps, including KYC, that are listed in mainnet checklist of Pi Network app. Why do we need to complete these steps? It's simple. We must complete these to enable us to migrate our Pi coins to mainnet for their smooth transaction, trade, sale, and purchase. In this short and to-the-point video, out of the rest 8 steps, we will cover the first 3 practically, that are how to create a Pi wallet within Pi Browser, confirmation of Pi wallet, and commit to lockup configuration. Let's start. Open your Pi Browser. Click on Wallet. Click on Create New Wallet. Copy this passphrase and paste in your phone's notes or in any text file. Keep this passphrase safe in any notebook too, physically written form, as if you lost it, you will not be able to access your wallet. Never reveal this passphrase to anyone in any situation. Use fingerprint to proceed. You can select Show Alternatives too for other options. This is your wallet address or identity in Pi blockchain. It's a public key. Also, copy and paste it in phone notes and keep it noted down in some notebook, physically written form. Better to select Not Searchable here. For enhanced security of your Pi wallet, click Continue. Your wallet has been created. You can check your test Pi. These are for test, not real. Just for testing transactions on the Pi testnet and contain no value. Let's check from Pi Network app whether creation of Pi wallet has been updated in checklist. Yes, it has been completed. Now is the turn to confirm our Pi wallet. Click Start. The subsequent page will ask you to enter passphrase. Then click Confirm Wallet. Yes, our Pi wallet has been confirmed. Now is the turn of Commit to Lockup configuration. Click Start. The subsequent page will show you 2 sliders. Keep this box checked. Set values of both sliders. We recommend dragging back the lockup percentage slider to 25% and lockup duration slider to 2 weeks. Setting either slider at higher point will lock your PIs for longer period and higher portion. Setting sliders at higher points can increase your mining rate. But in current scenarios, we don't want it, as we want to enable us to migrate our PIs as soon and as maximum as possible. Click Commit and then Commit Lockup for your agreement with Pi Network app. The step has successfully been completed. The checklist also validates that we have successfully created Pi wallet, have confirmed our wallet, and committed to lockup configurations. That's it. Subscribe our channel to stay updated about crypto, including Pi and other interesting topics. You know, there is one and only key to success, that is patience and consistency. So be intact and don't listen to people who make you disheartened. We all together will be successful, no doubt.